Hi, Chris here, licensed technician at Midland Honda. Let's check out this 2017 MDX, stock number 25028A. I'm just going to start with a full walk around of the car on the hoist here, so we have a good look at the tires and brakes. We've just finished mounting brand new all-season tires on the front and rear. Coming around the other side, I've got the wheels off so we can have a look at the brakes. The rear brakes here are at about 50% life left. And the front brakes have about 60% life left. I've got the MDX up on the hoist here so we can have a good look underneath. I've checked over the rear suspension already, and we don't have any worn bushings, and the shocks and springs are in good shape. No issues with the rear differential, and checking over the exhaust, we don't have any leaks. Up front, we've just replaced the lower control arms on both sides up here, and everything else is in good condition. Under the hood, we've changed the engine oil and filter, as well as checking and topping up any other fluids needed. And this MDX is also just passed the provincial safety inspection. Once again, I'm Chris. I'd like to thank you for checking out this MDX with me today. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call Midland Honda or stop in for a test drive. Have a great day.